The next product I want to share with you guys is my Master Secret Glow. And this here is a completely transparent balm, and this is going to give you that beautiful, expensive, glass-like looking skin. Oftentimes we'll use a highlighter that is a completely transparent balm to give that glass-like finish. And I kind of prefer those over highlighters that are very powdery or textured. I just feel like it gives a true kind of lit from within glassy glow. And so I wanted to create a product to achieve that. And so I'll show you guys. This is the Master Secret Glow. It actually has Vita Rose Complex in it, which is derived from white rose stem cells. So it's very good and nourishing for your skin. The shade is called Expensive because I always explain to my students at the masterclass that this type of glow is a truly expensive type of glow. It's a lit from within glow. You just take a little bit on your fingers here. Now you'll notice here, as I'm applying it, it's gripping onto that area, so it truly doesn't move. A lot of these glass-like products start to slide and move on the face and disrupt the textures underneath. What I'm applying here is going to stay there until she gets home at night. I worked really hard on this formula so that it was non-sticky and sort of very comfortable to wear. You don't notice that you have it on all day. A lot of times, I like to take a little bit of this product and just put it right on top of the eye to add a beautiful glass-like glow to the eyelid. So I just finished off with applying some just to the lips right here. It's a very nourishing product. It doesn't clog your pores. That is it. That is Master Secret Glow. I hope you guys enjoyed these little product demonstrations.